Alright, I want to show you one way to align text in your web page. So the default is everything is over to the left. So I'm going to use CSS to maybe center things or align them differently. So I'm just going to apply it to the entire page here. So the font property for this is text-align. And let's try center as one of the values. So notice because I applied it to the body, everything in the page is now centered. So let's look at that one more time. So we got text-align, all lowercase, no spaces. And then the three values, or there's actually four, but the three values you can probably will mostly use are center, left, or right. So those keywords are important. So if we wanted to align everything to the right, we could do text align, and the value would be right. And we could also do left, but left is the default, so there's not too much reason to do left. Let's try one thing differently. So maybe I just want to align one thing. So I've got my last little thing at the bottom in a paragraph tag, so I'm just going to change this here and say I just want that to be aligned right. Everything else should be back to the default alignment, and only anything in the P tag should be aligned right. So let's try that. Right, so now I've got everything default. I've got one thing aligned differently. So that's how you use it, and you can apply it to anything in the page or the entire page.